Hi, I'm Andrew Walker, a Minnesota debt attorney. If you're trying to decide between bankruptcy and debt settlement, here's how to choose which option is best for you. In a typical debt settlement scenario, you stop paying your bills and wait for your account to be sold to a debt collector. At that point, you can often negotiate to pay around 50% of the original amount owed. For example, if you owe Capital One $5,000, you stop paying and Capital One sells the debt to a collector for around $250. The collector will then settle with you for around $2,500. However, they usually want that money in a lump sum rather than installments. Now keep in mind, your credit score will be dinged by the late payments and by settling for less than the full balance. With bankruptcy, you generally don't pay the debts at all. By law, they're reduced to a $0 balance. As a result, your credit score and your budget improve right away. Your home, car, retirement accounts are all typically protected, and you can file even if you have a decent income. Most people see a 720 credit score 2 years after filing bankruptcy, and you can get a mortgage at that 2-year point also. So, in what situation does each make sense? Debt settlement is better if you have substantial savings or own assets like a cabin or rental property that aren't protected in bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is the best path if you're living to paycheck and don't have lots of savings. We can actually even file your case with no money up front at all. Still not sure of your options? We offer a free attorney consultation for anyone in Minnesota. We'll run the numbers and help you figure out the best solution. Give us a call today at 612-824-4357 or book online.